One sunny weekend, Goofy had a brilliant idea. He decided to invite all his friends, Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy, and Pluto, on a camping trip in the heart of the forest. Everyone was excited and quickly packed their bags with tents, snacks, and camping gear. Early Saturday morning, they all met at Goofy's house, piled into his old but trusty van, and set off for the great outdoors. When they arrived at the campsite, the forest was breathtaking. Tall trees stretched toward the sky, birds chirped melodiously, and a gentle breeze carried the scent of pine. Goofy, being the enthusiastic leader, immediately started assigning tasks. Mickey and Minnie, you set up the tents. Donald and Daisy, gather firewood. Pluto and I will prepare the snacks, he said with a big grin. As the sun began to set, the campsite was ready. The tents were up, the campfire was crackling, and the smell of roasting marshmallows filled the air. They all sat around the fire, laughing and sharing stories. Goofy told a spooky tale about a forest monster that supposedly roamed the woods at night. Donald, who was already a little nervous, kept glancing over his shoulder. Later that night, as everyone was settling into their tents, strange noises began to echo through the forest. There were rustling sounds, faint squeaks, and even what sounded like footsteps. Donald, now completely terrified, whispered, "Did you hear that? It's the forest monster." Goofy's story was true. He grabbed his flashlight and peeked outside, only to see a pair of glowing eyes staring back at him. He screamed and ran back into the tent, waking everyone up. Mickey, ever the brave one, decided to investigate. With his flashlight in hand, he cautiously followed the sounds. To everyone's relief, it wasn't a monster at all. It was a family of raccoons rummaging through their food supplies. "Looks like we forgot to pack the snacks away properly," Mickey said, laughing. The raccoons scurried off, and everyone went back to bed, though Donald kept his flashlight close just in case. The next morning, after a hearty breakfast of pancakes cooked over the campfire, Goofy suggested they go on a hike. "I've got a map right here," he said, holding up a crumpled piece of paper. The group agreed, and they set off on what they thought would be a simple walk. But as they ventured deeper into the woods, the trail became less clear. Trees looked the same, and the path seemed to disappear. Before they knew it, they were lost. Donald, frustrated and tired, grumbled, "I knew this was a bad idea. We're never getting out of here." But Mickey remained calm. He pulled out his trusty compass and said, "Don't worry, everyone. We'll find our way back together." With Mickey leading the way, they navigated through the forest, using the compass and landmarks to guide them. Along the way, they encountered more surprises. They stumbled upon a sparkling stream where they stopped to cool off, discovered a hidden cave filled with glowing crystals. They even helped a lost baby deer find its way back to its mother. Despite the challenges, they were having the time of their lives. Finally, after what felt like hours, they emerged from the forest and found themselves back at the campsite. Goofy, relieved and happy, said, "Well, even if we got lost, we found our way back together. That's what friends are for." Everyone cheered and agreed that this camping trip was one they would never forget. As they packed up their gear and prepared to head home, they sat around the campfire one last time. Goofy raised his marshmallow on a stick and said, "Here's to friendship, adventure, and the best camping trip ever." They all toasted with their marshmallows, laughing and reminiscing about their unforgettable journey.